Hello sa inyong lahat. So ngayong gabing ito, papag-usapan po natin ano ang mga upgrade ng HR sa pagdating sa technology. Isipin natin, have you ever experienced yung mga delay sa process ng payroll or waiting for leave approvals or ganyan or tracking your own employees? So, today, I would like to walk you through how modern HR tools are not only streamlining operations but also enhancing the overall employee experience. Now, syempre, kumbaga, if you're a corporate company, most likely your employees are at least 300 and above. So kapag HR manager ka, anong gagawin mo sa 300 na employees na yan kung mano-mano mo silang i-monitor, di ba? So we have these core technologies and what is their benefits in HR department when it comes to adapting to technology. So first, we have the Human Capital Management System or HCM, syempre. So ito ay nagsiserve as the foundation ng modern HR operations nowadays. Sila yung integrate ng payroll and benefits ng administration. Kumbaga parang mas time efficient, mas great yung accuracy since real-time data insights ang ginagamit nito for better decision making. Now, we also have the applicant tracking system. Ito ay ang naggagawa ng order according to the recruitment process, from posting job openings to tracking candidates kung sino ang papasok or sino ang hindi pasok. It also enhances the recruiter efficiency. Talagang mas mabilis siyang proseso kumbaga. Meron din tayong employee self-service portals, just like how may website ang ibang company. Employee self-service portals, it's also nakikita ng mga employee yung payroll nila, pag-submit ng leave request nila kung na-approve ba or hindi, na hindi na kailangan pumunta sa HR department. So, our conclusion is, syempre, HR technology is not that enhanced yet, pero it is necessary for the HR department to be able to integrate the technology of these things or these systems para magkaroon ng mas efficient na pag-hire or mas organized and time efficient din siya. Ayun lang po.